What's going on, YouTube family, man? Look, we out here at a little car meet, by the way. Yeah, I had a little car meet, you know. Get some little car footage for y'all, man. Hold on, check out the Camaro right here, man. Check out the Benzo Scat, but this is the Benzo Scat right here, man. By the way, look, that my cousin right there, my bodyguard, you feel me? He my bodyguard cause he weigh 400 pounds. I ain't worried about nigga fucking with me, feel me? He can sit on that ass, you feel me? It gonna be over with for him. Pete 8 or 9 stick out, you feel me? This ain't the fake one, man. Real Benzo Scat. Be the guy right here though, man, you feel me? That boy.
The same shit.
Track Hawk. Our tree right there, man.
I thought that worked.
Yo, what's going on, man? You feel me? Like, shit, I don't really know, you know. I ain't even know I was gonna, you know, pick up the camera there or nothing like that, you know. Cause I ain't even know I was gonna come here, but, you know, last minute, somebody called me, you know what I'm saying? Somebody pull up to the little car meet. Right now, dead, you know. Usually be a lot of people here, you know, a lot of like, you know, Scat, Pat, Track Hawk, stuff like that. But right now, it dead, you know, it ain't too many people here for real, But yeah, though, probably about 15, 20, 30 minutes, something like that. A lot of people be pulling up. So yeah, but you know, I'm gonna try to get some good content for y'all today. This should go to a lot, you know, and start spinning out or whatever. Hopefully they do that so I can get some good content for y'all. And for some reason, I posted it might come out before I even drop this video if I get everything situated. But I did a little one chip challenge. I did a one chip challenge yesterday or whatever, you know. And I tried to post it, but you know what I'm saying, I got too much space on I got too much storage or something like that on my phone. And I tried to do a whole bunch of odds and ends, you know, to get everything situated. And I took my MacBook Pro to the Walmart, try to get it fixed, you know, to the computer play, did that in the third. A lot of stuff going on behind all that. So I could have posted a video, matter of fact, yesterday or the day before yesterday, but you know, my stuff been tripping, man. I'm trying to post every day, you know, stay consistent and everything like that to y'all, man. But I can't post because my stuff messing up, you feel me? So whenever I get all that situated, man, man, I tell you, I'm gonna have videos coming like constantly, you feel me, back to back, man. But yeah, right now, man, I got a lot of odds and going on, you know. I've been trying to post every day, but it's like my stuff, man. I can't post for real. And on my camera, I got the new camera I bought. You know, I can't take the videos off of here and put it on my phone and post it. And the reason why I won't go to my phone because I got a lot of space, so I gotta go buy a little sound card or something or something with a lot of gigabytes on it. You feel me? So yeah. And once I do that, I you know, keep dropping videos. But I really wanna edit my videos and stuff on my MacBook Pro. That's what I really got it for. You feel me? But I can't do it. Cause a lot of things going on. I can't even download apps on that MacBook Pro, so I gotta sell that, probably get another one or something like that. But I'm gonna make something happen, y'all, man. When I start posting, you know, this nice little content for y'all, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, you know, and watch the whole video throughout. You know, watch the whole video and stuff like that. But y'all though, man, I'm finna get back to these cars, you know, show y'all these cars or whatever. Sooner or later, some more cars will start pulling up. But y'all though, man. Pete little Benzo, man. Little old Benzo, 1999 Benzo. Yeah, though, man. Whenever some more cars and stuff, like that start pulling up, you know, we start getting lit out here. Like fireworks out there. There's some fireworks. Yeah, though, whenever, you know, it start getting lit and stuff like that out here, man, I'm gonna pick the camera back up. You know, show y'all some footage, man, for real. Don't get it right. But until then, YouTube family, I'm out. Man, here, bro.
What? Well, I'm gonna shut this motherfucker down.
Smooth and never Hey, these motherfucker real though. Shit.
Alright.
Motherfucker real, boy. I done got them bitches too. Yeah. They said one in the car. Hey, we finna go though. We finna move location though. What? I know I've been told y'all, man, I'm gonna get back up with y'all when we move location, man. But you feel me? Something tell me to park their camera back out. You feel me? Get some more little footage for y'all, man. You feel me? And all. What is you doing? Yeah, man, we finna move location, though, man. I'm gonna get back up with y'all for move location. Please. Huh? Was it John Renner? John Renner? What the fuck part of it? Where you burnt that? Oh shit, come here, man. Hey, if I get one more shot, I'm gonna get that. That is so hard, bro. Check out the SRT. SRT sign thing, man. It be hard. One day I'm gonna be in one of these though, man. Trust me. That nigga Tree Stone right there, man. Tree Stone. Got a big chunk in the cut. Covering up the whole wheel. Wanna talk to the vlog, bro? You wanna talk to him? Man, I'm just ready to go, bro. I'm just ready to go eat a burger, man. Hey, glad nigga, hell is you doing? Huh? Hey, man, look. I got some real life monkeys in my car, man. Hey, open the door. Open the door. Look, I got some real life apes in the car, man. Huh? Some real life apes. Can you see them? Y'all can see them, man. Real life ape, man. Talk to him. Go. Huh? Yeah, what I told him, I said we in the scat, the Benzo scat, man. Huh? Who? Oh, Benzo scat. No. Y'all ain't get out? Alright. Now they finna go swing them bitches. I feel like the quality is so much better too, man. So I got a new camera.
Drink though? I might read.
We want to talk about your lingo.
cold out here, man. It's cold, cold. That tree stone right there, y'all. Tree stone.
Got toys out on the last day of 2022.
Lad there, 2000.
So I gotta keep people out of trouble. So if they with me, they gonna stay out of trouble.
Word. Nah, for real. Yo, man, we just out here, man. We finna go to the next location, though, man. Finna get litty, itty, bitty. Love big titties. That is, you know what? Big laugh.
You stupid.
Ghetto, man. We just out here with these lovely cars today, man. This motherfucker right here, though. That little Benzo Scatty. Motherfucker smoke anything out here, you feel me? I mean, anything, literally. Literally. You feel me? Tight shit. But yeah, though, man. Hit y'all when I get to the next location, though, man. You know, whenever we get deep out here or something like that. Alright.
Gotta get this bitch at the gas station. Y'all true. Cats and hawks would have been on the slab right in front. Y'all wanna hide on the side. Y'all wanna hide on the side. Y'all wanna hide. Yep. By that time, hide on the side. We need to be in the group.
Yeah.
I ain't trying to get ran.
Hey, y'all need to be going too fast too, bro. Y'all need to be going too fast. I'm in a slow ass bin, bro. I cannot keep up. Then my shit be slapping on neutral and shit.
He's about slapping the neutral.
Cause look, my link. I wish I had that Lincoln, bro.
Hell is good! On the light day, man. Hey, I gotta go to my city. It's almost 10 o'clock.
And cold out here, man.
It's a world, bro. I just got to go by. Unless I just take a piece on the curb. Yeah, I'm taking a piece on the curb.
Hard, but he on the curb. You couldn't put your.
I think he's like really on the curb.
You can't put your red eye on the curb.
Right, yeah.
Are you gonna go half and half?
I gotta go curb.
You gotta go half and half though.
Motherfucker knock somebody out too with it, bro.
God, boy.
Look, hey. Oh shoot, my camera messing up. What's going on, y'all? We finna come in here and get a snack break. Little snack break or whatever. Y'all meet my father right here, man. Say what's up to him, father. Oh man. I'm tired, y'all. I ain't slept all day. And y'all let me know down below in the comment section if my hand's real. But look, let me know down there in the comment section below if my camera quality better now. I did buy a new camera. If y'all got my Instagram, y'all would know that. Yeah. Yeah, we in. Good stuff. Oh shit. Fix my camera.
This my setup right here.
Oh, you do videos and shit too?
Yeah, this my whole setup. I got P5, PC.
Oh, so you do gaming and shit like that
Yeah, I'm
though?
doing all that shit. I'm
No,
doing
my brother don't
iRuns,
do.
all that shit.
How many subscribers you got on YouTube?
We this my.
Who? Who you talking about? Oh. Sorry.
We almost at 200. Last video
I'm trying to goddamn.
was like some months ago.
Yeah.
But this our shit. This what we be doing.
Put your channel on there. Y'all make sure y'all go subscribe to my boy, man. Facts.
But we be fucking.
See, I ain't gonna lie, I just started not too long ago. I'm trying to goddamn get up with this jump though, bro. I'm finna keep grinding though, man. I don't wanna
Stay
get
consistent, nigga.
Yeah,
You gotta
fact.
Keep uploading because what
Hey.
we did, we fucked up. We started taking breaks, and now we can't really.
See, I try to post every day though.
Yeah,
Yeah.
post every fucking day,
But
bro.
like you feel me? Somebody had told me, feel me, you can't post every day, cause you gotta have no.
Yeah, you gotta make sure your shit quality, bro. Like,
Yeah, too, yeah,
really,
yeah.
really, it don't even matter how many. As long as you get like at least one vid out every week, bro, they gonna keep watching your shit because it's something new every.
Yeah. Yeah, somebody was telling me if you post every day, they were like, you gotta like miss like 2 days so they can want you to post again. They're gonna be looking for you to post again. Like, well, damn, you ain't posted another
Yeah,
video
oh
yet.
God, that's what you gotta do, bro.
Yeah, so I'm gonna start posting like probably 3 days out of the week.
Yep,
You know?
do that.
Yeah,
Make
something
sure
like
you
that.
have a schedule, bro. Stick to your schedule, bro.
Yeah,
I'm
fact.
telling you, that shit take off easy.
Yeah.
We did all our views we really got within probably a year or two. And
Hey.
we only posted like 6 or 7 vids.
Yeah, fact. But you ain't started getting ads and stuff yet, have you?
Huh?
You ain't started getting ads and stuff like that, have you?
Nah.
Yeah, fact. Me either. You need to give me a shout out though, bro.
Bro, for sure. Well, I'll give you a shout out on everything, bro.
Oh God.
You got a social? What's your social?
One way, look, my YouTube one way Cyrus, and my Instagram one way dot Cyrus. One way Cyrus, CURUS. Nah, CYRUS. Yeah, fact. So there where you at? You work here and shit,
Yeah,
right?
it's just my work until my shit really like finish jumping for real.
Yeah, facts. Okay, cool. Yeah, cause you know I got a job right now too. You feel me? I work and stuff, man. But you know,
that's what you gotta do.
yeah,
Keep
when I get
working.
up
Don't
on
let-
this,
Don't let
yeah,
this shit stop you from
Yeah,
working.
yeah.
When your shit jump,
Yeah, I'ma keep-
you won't
yeah.
have to work no more.
Yeah,
You
right,
know,
fact.
All you gotta do, only work that you gonna be doing is on that thing. And you gonna have to work
Uh-huh.
doing that 10 times harder.
facts.
You gotta stay consistent, bro.
Yeah, that's word though, man.
That consistency is key. I'm telling you.
Yeah, man, I'm finna go. Cause we just did a hot chip challenge. You know, they we've been doing. We had 2 people already. I'm trying to find like one more person or something like that before I leave.
Hell yeah.
Facts.
That shit gonna go crazy.
But what? Yeah, man, I'm finna get up out of here though, man.
So,
Yeah, we gonna chop it up though, man. For sure. All right, bet that. All right, you ready? All right, y'all. My camera keep going up. All right, man. Be safe, bro. Hold on, y'all trying to fit my camera. My camera keep messing up. Why you mad for? All right, look. Got this guy right here walking down this way. I'm gonna see if I can get him to do a little hot chip challenge right quick. How many hot chips we got? 2? Yeah, we got 2 more. I'm gonna try to get the last one up out way. If he don't go for it, I might just gonna leave y'all. Cut this video. You know, gonna cut it. What's going on, man? Are you trying to do a hot chip challenge to make some money?
Yeah, I'm trying to make money, but what I gotta do?
You gotta eat a chip. If you keep the chip in your mouth over 10 minutes, you get $20.
10 minutes. They ain't tell me 10 minutes. They said keep it in your mouth for a month. I did that several times, bro. They
You did?
say 10 minutes.
What they say?
Keep it in your mouth for about 2 or 3 minutes and talk or something like that.
Yeah.
I'll do that, but not 10 minutes, bro. I can't stay in 10 minutes.
You can't do
bro.
10 minutes?
Not 10. I'll do 2 or 3 or 4, because I done did that right here.
Yeah.
I did 40, I did it several times right here.
For real?
Yeah, with that chip.
Man.
Yeah, I do that, bro. I do that.
You'll do it for 10?
10 minutes?
Yeah.
It's not 10 minutes.
Can't do it for 10?
Nah, bro. Nobody does that for 10. They just-
I ain't gonna lie, what I done seen since I've been out here, I done did it for 2 people already. I done gave 2 people hot chip.
Yeah.
and paid them or whatever, but they done did it so easily. Like, they kept it in their mouth for 10 minutes, right? And got my money off of me. And they did it so easy, like they weren't complaining enough for real. Like they were complaining, but they weren't doing nothing too major. Huh? Yeah, you can't drink water for 10 minutes. You drink the water, you can't get anything at all. But I mean, if you don't want to do it, it's cool. I'll be back probably tomorrow. We're gonna do it, you know, part 2 or something like that.
I don't know.
Yeah, they put it long. I know the chip is hot, you know. It can hurt your insides, man. It can burn. Why my lighting so dark? Turn the brightness up for y'all.
Can you do it for 5 for me, bro? Damn, you do it for 6. 5?
I don't know. If I do, let me see what I got. Hold on. Let me see.
You do 15, I do 5. 10, man. They never do it.
If I do 5 minutes, I got you $5. You do 5 minutes, I got you $5. What you want to do? Just let me know.
But if I get too hot, I can't do 10. I gotta get not getting nothing.
Yeah, if it get too hot now, and you don't do 10, and you drink water before your 10 minutes up, you don't get anything. So what you want to do?
No,
It's like,
they don't charge me.
all right then, man. Be safe out here now. All right, y'all, man. Look, he wanted to oh, excuse me. Oh, it's about to be a fight. They about to fight. They finna go down in the city, man, by the racetrack, man. All right, y'all, we gone. Man. Let me see. All right, y'all guys. YouTube family, man, I thought it was gonna be a fight, man. I ain't gonna lie, I'm finna get some good old little content for y'all. When I get a hang of this camera, man, I'm gonna be so legitimately, bro. Like, I'm gonna be so hard with this junk, bro. Like, my camera keep going on, I gotta get it where it can stay, you know, focused on my face and stuff like that. But Ghetto, man, I feel like it was a lit video though, man. We got some good little content for y'all. I mean, it was on the right. We did that, you feel me? I could have found one more person, but I know the video it's already long right now. And you know, it ain't doing I'm taking up a lot of space on the phone. I gotta get some more stuff. When I get some more stuff, man, we're gonna be litty, yeah. Litty bitty itty. Feel me? Well, yeah though. Hopefully y'all like this video, man. Like I said before, please like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Do that for me. And but long story short, man, I'm tired. I gotta go home to my baby, man. I'm finna go home, take a shower, probably lay it down, wake up tomorrow, make a new video for y'all. But oh yeah, I forgot, I do gotta go home and edit, you know. I gotta go home and edit. But other than that, YouTube family, we gone. Please.